Part C says, assume that the invasive species continues to spread according to the given model for all times t bigger than 0. Write a limit expression that describes the end behavior of the rate of change in the number of acres affected by the species. Evaluate this limit expression. Here, rate of change is referring to the derivative, so we're working with c prime of t. And end behavior means we want to know what happens to c prime of t as time goes on forever. That is, as t becomes very large. So we write the limit of c prime of t as the limit of 38 over 25 plus t squared as t goes to infinity. Now let's evaluate. As t gets larger and larger, t squared also gets larger and larger. In fact, t squared grows without bound, meaning it goes to infinity. So in the denominator, we have 25 plus t squared. The 25 becomes insignificant compared to t squared because t squared is so large. Essentially, the denominator is becoming an extremely large number. That means we're taking 38 and dividing it by a huge number. And when you divide a constant like 38 by a number that keeps growing toward infinity, the value of the fraction gets closer and closer to 0. So the entire expression approaches 0, and therefore the limit is 0. And this means that over time, the rate at which the number of acres is increasing slows down and approaches 0.